Oh yeah. 1 can of lemon cream filling. And then 1 box of Angel Food cake mix. We're just gonna dump this in here. All over that. Oh yeah, baby. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna bring in our hand mixer and mix this all up in here.
Rolling.
All right, now we just want to get it all nice and mixed so it's all nice and fluffy, just like that. You can see that consistency there. Get the rest of this off of the mixer here. Ooh, you want to lick some of that?
Ooh, yeah.
We're just going to come in with our trusty spatula and we're just going to spread it nice and evenly right across the pan.
It looks
Just
so
like that.
moist and fluffy.
I know, moist, fluffy. I can smell the lemon in
The
there.
lemon smells so good.
It smells delicious. This is gonna be divine. Perfect 2-ingredient treat for summer. Your guests are gonna love this.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, just like that. Doesn't that look good?
Yum, that looks delicious.
Now, this last step is optional, but I'm gonna take some fresh lemon here.
Ooh,
And I'm just gonna squeeze it all along the top there.
fresh lemon juice.
Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Just like that. Look at that.
Ooh, that looks so good.
So delicious. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for probably 25, 30 minutes. And then we got one more step left and then we're gonna dive in.
Ooh, can't wait.
Wow, look at those. All done. Perfect lemon bars. Perfect for spring. And now next ingredient, this is optional too. We're just gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna take my little sifter here and we're just gonna douse this with some powdered sugar. Wow, doesn't that look good?
Oh, it smells even better.
Look, just like from a bakery. Looks just like it, huh?
How easy.
Yeah, how easy is that? Anybody can do this. 2 ingredients. Lemon filling, Angel Food cake, a little bit of powdered sugar. Boom, you are good to go. Now we're gonna cut a nice little square here with our spatula.
Oh, it's so moist in
Yeah,
there.
look how moist and fluffy it looks.
Oh, that looks really good.
Look at that.
Oh, I can't wait to try it.
Just scoop it out here.
Oh,
Ooh, look
wait,
at
let me
that.
see. That looks so good.
I want to get some powdered sugar here. And now we scarf. That's amazing.
I can't wait to have some.
Perfect 2-ingredient treat for summer. Give this a try. Let me know if you change anything else. Enjoy.